And in this one, it's okay if you get a little bit of blood because you're spinning it again.
Okay, yeah. You want to get all that gold.
Yeah.
Yep, you're on. Yeah, you're on again.
I'm like, what? I'm just gonna draw a little bit extra because that's Here's gonna be the first one. I'm just gonna give you a little poke here. How's it feel with the lidocaine? Can't really feel much.
Oh,
Nice.
So you can see there that there are, you know, little
Blood.
bumps, right?
Sure.
Yeah. Doing okay? Good.
You feel anything, Ray?
just a little.
A little bit, yeah.
And you may see, you know, feel more pressure as I'm pushing this in just because we're adding some fluid in there. Just gonna stick around, sorry.
No, you're fine.
I'm almost done.
With the first one.
Yeah, with the first one.
Yeah, it honestly just feels like someone's gently pulling on my hair.
Okay, good.
And that one's done.
Okay. So that.
All right, this is Ryan. He had PRP done in his scalp for hair restoration. Can you tell me like how it was, how it felt?
It wasn't bad at all. It was a pinch.
Little pinch. You got lidocaine in the scalp first, and then we did the injection. So nice. You said it was kind of like you felt like you were getting your hair pulled gently, right?
Yeah, it was like if someone's just pulling on your hair like this.
So pretty easy.
Easy.
All right, man. Great. Looking forward to those results.
Yep.